Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to design a professional blog page in your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to increase the traffic, increase the brand value and wanted to get organic customers from Google search result or any other search engine, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Also here I am going to share the importance of blog, why you should add a professional blog in your Shopify online store and how it will be beneficial for your online store. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store. You see, look here very carefully. Then I have customized this store using code, as I am a Shopify developer or coding expert. Also you will find the tutorials on my YouTube channel how to add this shop by category section, how to add custom specification section. So you can check out the video description where you will learn or where you will get these tutorials also. Okay, so I'm going to my blog page. Here is my blog page. You see, it looks like very general or very common and very normal design. So it's not a professional blog page or blog post. But if we go to another one of the most popular marketing platform, that's named HubSpot, and here is the HubSpot blog page. Looks here very carefully. Looks here, there is a picture section, looks very good, and also there is another nice section of latest post, but that is totally different. And if we compare this design with our design, that's totally different. So we wanted to make a blog page like this one, especially same as this design, also same as this design. Okay, before start designing our blog page, we must have to know about why blog in Shopify. So here is the most important things that I wanted to describe. First of all, increase organic traffic. Blog help improve your store SEO by targeting relevant keyword that your potential customers search for. Each blog post is an opportunity to rank on Google, bringing free traffic to your store. Then second one, writing informative and helpful blog post position you as an expert in your niche. It's build trust with potential customers, increase the chance of conversion. Then engage and educate customers. Blog allow you to educate your audience about your product, industry, trends and solution to their problem. For example, if you sell a skincare product, a blog on how to choose the best skincare for your skin type can help buyer make informed decision. And finally, it boosts sales with content marketing. So I hope you understand the importance and benefit of keep professional blog page on your Shopify online store. Now we are going to our final part, that is how we can make a section like this one. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to log in your Shopify online store admin panel. Here is my Shopify online store admin panel. Then click online store. Okay, we have to wait a little bit time. I have designed this store with DOM theme. Then click on the customize. Okay, here is the customize section. Then you have to click on the this icon, go to the blog page, blog customization page, select default blog. Okay, now here is the default style, and first we wanted to add a style like this one, featured post. So go back, click add section, then scroll down, you see there is a section named featured article. Click on it, drag and drop. Yes, it's same as this one. Okay, then we are going to add another section like this one, that will be latest article. So add a new section, scroll down, looks here latest article with nice pagination, and we are going to remove this one blog post, and now looks so simple and easy. So going to click on the save, then we are going to check it finally on our blog page or as a visitor. So reload. Yes, and now it looks very nice and professional and same as this one. But the main things is that here is the font and typography color is different. Our store is for different niches, and this is another different niche website or different type of website. That's why design, typography, font color is not same. I hope you understand. But now the question, how you will get this code snippet to add featured article section like this one, latest article section like this one, because by default you will not get this section in your DOM theme, because I have developed this section by myself with custom coding, as I am a professional Shopify developer, coding expert. But you need a easy solution how you can get this code snippet for free. Okay, to get this code snippet for free, you have to go to my website e-commerce thesis. You will find this website link in the video description. So go to the e-commerce thesis, then click on the contract with Faisal, click on it, then you can directly send me message by WhatsApp, and you can mention this video that you want this code snippet, or you can send me an email, you can call me with WhatsApp. Anyway, you can connect with me anyway. So it's super easy to connect with me. I hope you understand how to get code snippet. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.